Today, we're going to transfer funds from an Oregon State Credit Union account to another member's account. I'm using the app for this video. After logging into your account, select Transfer and Pay at the bottom of the screen. Then, select Make a Transfer. Tap the From and select the account you want to transfer money from. If this is the first time you are transferring money to your friend, you will need to add them as a recipient. You will need to know the first 3 letters of their last name, their account suffix, and member ID number. Just click on the word To and scroll to the end of your recipient list. Then click Add a Recipient. Add the first 3 letters of the member's last name. Select the type of account you are transferring money to. Checking and saving accounts are considered regular share accounts. Enter the suffix and member ID, then select Verify Recipient. Once the member is verified, they will be added to your recipient list. Once you select Add Recipient, now enter the amount of a transfer on the amount line. Enter a memo if needed and select the transfer button. Click Yes to confirm, and a message will appear confirming your transaction. For more online solutions, visit our website at oregonstatecu.com/videos.